Hello everybody, Oliver here. We are continuing learning algebra. We are solving problems from the Larson textbook, chapter 1, expressions, equations, and functions. We are doing section 1.4 and we are doing practice A today. So problems 1 through 4 match the verbal sentence with its equation or inequality. Let's start with number 1. So the difference of 4 and a number n is equal to 14. So which one matches with one? 4 minus n equals 14, this one, right? So A matches with C. Number 2, the difference, anytime you see a difference, that means subtraction. So the difference of a number n, so n and 4, is no more than 14. So it's less or equal to 14. So that one is A. So 2A. Number 3, the difference of, so that's subtraction, difference of 4 and a number n is at least 14. So it's greater or equal to 14. So 4 minus n is greater than or equal to 14. So that's D. So 3D. And then 4, the difference of a number n and 14 is at most 4. So it's less or equal to 4. And that is that one is B, right? Yes. So 4 is B. So we have the first one is C. Then the second one is A. The third one is D. And the fourth one is B. So it's C, A, D, B. Okay, number 5, the sum of 8. So sum means plus of 8 and a number n equals to 15. That's the expression or the equation. And the goal in this section 1.4 is to basically see a verbal statement and then convert it to either a equation or inequality. Equation, in this case, when we see the symbol sign of equals. Next one, number 6, the product means multiplication. The product of 5 and a number y is at least 22. So it's greater or equal to 22. So that is number 6. Number 7, the difference of a number x and 6 is 19, right? The difference of x and 6 is 19. When you see is or equal to, that means equal sign, right? When you see is at least, that means greater than or equal to. And then the last one, the quotient means division of a number b and 7 is more than 25. When you see more, that means greater than, right? So number 8 is b over 7 is greater than 25. Okay. Next one, number 9 through 14, check whether the given number is a solution of the equation or inequality. So here, zoom in a little bit. Okay. We have to substitute. So we have to substitute 5 for x. So 5 plus 14 is 19. So that is correct. Yes. Because 5 plus 14 equals 19. 19 equals 19. So check whether the given number is a solution. Yes. Number 9 is yes. Number 10, we have to substitute 3 for m. So this becomes 2 times 3, which is 6, plus 3 is 9. 9 equals 11 now. So 2 times 3 plus 3 equals 11. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, so 9 equals 11 now. 11, b over 3 plus 4 equals 7. We substitute 9 for b. This becomes 9 over 3, which is 3. So 3 plus 4 equals 7, yes, because 7 equals 7. So yes. Number 12, 4a minus 5 is less than or equal to 10. We substitute 4 for a. So substitute 4 for a. This becomes 4 times 4, which is 16. 16 minus 5 is less than or equal to 10. 16 minus 5 is 11. 11 is not less or equal to 10. So this is incorrect. 13. 22 minus y is greater than 13. We substitute 8 for y. So this becomes 22 minus 8 is greater than 13. 22 minus 8 is 14. 14 is greater than 13. Yes, so this is correct. Number 14, we substitute 40 for p. So 40 over 5, that is what? 8, because 5 times 8 is 40. So this is 8 minus 8 is greater than 1. 8 minus 8 is 0. So 0 is not greater than 1. So this is incorrect. Okay. So far, so good. Next one is 15. 15 through 20. Solve the equation using mental math. So x plus what number plus 17 is 22? When you add 5 to 17 is 22. So x is 5. X is 5 because 5 plus 17 is 22. 16. Which number when you add to 4 is 16? That's 12 because 12 plus 4 is 16. And the way to do this is there are a few ways to do this. For example, the number 15, you can do since there is a plus sign in front of 17. When 17 goes to the other side of the equation, it's going to be minus 17. So this is 22 minus 17. That's 5. This is 16 minus 4, which is 12. Right. So this would be 12 plus 8 because minus 8. When it goes to the other side, will be plus 8. So m is 20. M is 20 because 12 plus 8 is 20. This one here, c is 5 because 10 times 5 is 50. Or you can say, okay, 1. 1 times which number is 5? 5, and then the zeros, right? So so c is 5 because 10 times 5 is 50. Here, it's basically there's a multiplication between 3 and w. So when 3 goes on the other side, it's gonna divide. So w becomes 12, right? Because 36 divided by 3 is 12, or 3 times 12 is 36. 20. 6 is dividing here. On the other side, it's gonna multiply. So 3 times 6 is 18. So a is 18. A is 18. Because 18 divided by 6 is 3, or 3 times 6 is 18. Okay. 21. Your school is replacing a section of old lockers. When the old lockers are removed, there is a space. So this is space that's 165 inches long. Each new locker has a width of 11 inches. So 11 inches each locker. Okay. You write the equation 11x 11 times x equals 165 to model the situation. What do the 11x and 165 represent? 11 represents the width of one locker. X represents the number of lockers, and then 165 represents the width of the whole space. So yeah, and then we use mental math to solve the equation. 11 times which number is 165? It's 15. X is 15. And why? Because 11 times 15 is 165, or 165 divided by 11 is 15. And if you do 10 times 15 is 150. So this is not 10, this is 11. So 11 times 15 is 165, right? Because 10 times 15 is 150. And then what is 1 times 15 is 15. So you add 15 to 150 becomes 165. So that's how you know that it's 15. 22, snowboarding. You have saved $78 to buy a snowboard that costs $150. How much more money do you need to save to be able to buy the snowboard? So 78 you've already saved, plus how much you need to to save more to be able to buy the snowboard. So that's the equality. And then we just solve for x. So x would be 150 minus 78, or that is $72. That's the answer for 22. Next one, die-cast cars. You buy a storage case that holds 150 collectible die-cast cars. You have 132 already. Write an inequality that describes how many more cars you can buy and still have no more cars than the case will hold. So the inequality would be 132 plus how much more to fill up 150. So you can't go more than 150. So it has to be less or equal to 150 if you filled up the whole storage case. So that's the inequality here. And then you buy 24 cars. So x is 24. Will they all fit in the case? If we plug in 24 for x here, we're going to get 156. So 150 is not greater than or equal to 156. So this would be 132 plus 24, or that's 156 is less or equal to 150. That's not true. So will they all fit? No. The answer is no. All right. So thank you so much. Please like and subscribe to see more videos. See you next time, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.